The diagram below shows a square of side 80 cm. That means take note that this part here is 80 cm. It contains, this is also 80 because it's square. All right. It contains two semicircles which touch each other at the center of the square. Take note, this is the center of the square. And a small circle which is tangent to the square and both semicircle. What is the radius in cm of the small circle? Therefore, I think we can do a partitioning. That means we drop here. Drop perpendicular. All right. Okay, then from here, can you see that you can actually drop this? All right. Okay, then can I let the radius of the small circle? I let the radius of the small circle here to be r, to be r. Then I extend this to the all the way. I call it n. All right. Then okay, in this case, can you see that you can also join this one to this, to this, right? Okay, therefore, can you see that I call this center to be O? Therefore, we know that ON is actually equal to 40 cm, or 40 cm, right? And in this case, can you see that? Okay, we know that this is 90 degrees. Therefore, this angle would be theta, and I call this angle 90 degrees minus theta. 90 degrees minus theta. All right, and okay, by symmetry, this is also theta. And then this angle is also 90 degrees minus theta. Minus theta. Okay. Therefore, can you see that the radius here? This radius is 40 cm. Right. And yeah. Therefore, I think in this case, what is this distance here? This distance is actually 40 minus r. And then this is actually 40. Can you see that this is actually 40? Therefore, I think let me draw the Pythagoras triangle, the right angle triangle. That means this is 40. This is O, and then this is your n. No, not n. That means okay. Then can you see that this is actually 40 minus r, and then this is 40 plus r. And then you get the right angle triangle. Therefore, in this case, can you see that we can say that 40 minus r squared plus 40 squared is equal to 40 plus r squared. Therefore, I think we can do a factorization. That means 40 squared is equal to 40 plus r squared, and then minus 40 minus r squared. Then in this case, can you see that you add these two together, you get 80, right? Because this is a squared minus b squared case, right? Then if you subtract these two, you will just get 2r. And then this is 1,600, 1,600, and then this is 160. 1,600 is equal to 160r. Therefore, your r is actually 10 cm. That means the radius of the small circle. Therefore, in this case, the radius of the small circle is actually equal to 10 cm. Right? Yeah, that's it.